Look at that. Look at it.
So what is next? The lips.
The eyebrows.
I mean, the
You
eyebrows.
didn't even do the eyebrows. It's the most important part.
To the
Okay. And you could get another brush.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Like I told you, way up high. Big eyeliner in my eye. You're gonna keep saying that.
That's all we know. So. Should I just do black eyeliner?
Yeah.
We're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna roll. Let's do it. And turn. You're embarrassing me in front of viewers. And turn and tilt. Oh.
You mess with the hair.
Excuse me. I'm going with the eyeliner. Jeez, girl. Jeez. Okay. So. Oh no. You're gonna go like stay here, still. Sorry. Oh no. These are going all over this shit. Oh. And then we go boom. Boom. Oh. Boom. Okay. Can I tilt it back again? And look at it. Oh, no, it's a double whammy lid. Whoops.
Stay tuned.